XRP is inevitably going to be one of the few cryptocurrencies to survive a crypto regulation lawsuit. We've all seen a worldwide adoption of mobile banking. What's more, the pandemic increased the global adoption of mobile banking. At the heart of this international money transfer is Ripple Labs and XRP. Right now, these banks know that Ripple is on a mission and can't be stopped. And that's why Ripple continues to sign partnerships with different banks. That's why I'm confident that this coin will be one of the survivors of the SEC. What's up, guys? Welcome to Money Side, where we let the money do the talking. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and let's make this money together. Recently, Brad Garlinghouse went on an interview. He said that we can't make cross-border payments which are slow and expensive today. We make them in real time, efficient, meager cost, and that is good for the global economy. If you're a business owner with operations that run on the global market, I'm sure you can attest to the fact that slow money transfer could potentially hurt your business. For a global business to run effectively, financial transactions should be smooth, fast, and reliable. And that's one of the main objectives of Ripple Labs. Ripple Labs is also ranked as number 38 by the CNBC Disruptors. This ranking list comprises private companies leading out of the pandemic aligned with the rapid pace of technological change. Clearly, Ripple is trying to push the global economy to the next phase of the Internet of Things and increasing the practical uses of DeFi. The company has so far managed to create significant partnerships in the effort to actualize its vision. And that is why I am pro XRP, all of the way, regardless of the current market trends. This crypto has proven to us time and time again it's a worthwhile investment. Above all, the XRP's mission is one of the most effective ways to merge the crypto and fiat world. Like I always say, Bitcoin was designed to be an antagonist of fiat currency, and that's why its adoption process will always be a challenge. Aside from that, this crypto king still runs on the proof of work algorithm, which frankly is a little outdated. The consensus protocol is extremely slow, and mining Bitcoins isn't all that environmentally friendly. On top of that, the mining process is quite expensive. On the other hand, thanks to its fantastic blockchain technology, XRP transactions are nearly instantaneous with a framework that supports private ledgers. That's why most central banks are looking up to Ripple Labs to create central banks' digital currency. And when that happens, we could potentially see a significant change in the crypto world. Even though the decentralized concept is a worldwide known idea, many people still do not understand how it works or what it is. But with this adoption process, we could see most people taking a keen interest in the crypto market. In other news, Team Ripple posted an article on their official website announcing the launch of mobile banking payments from Oman to India via RippleNet. Most people try to send money home, and this might be the most effective system so far. That should catapult RippleNet to the top of the list of the most effective mobile transfer systems. Through RippleNet, Bank Dhofar will connect with leading Indian private sector bank IndusInd Bank to drive real-time payments into India. The system will provide cross-border transactions made via the Bank Dhofar mobile banking app to be processed instantly, reliably, cost-effectively, and with no end-to-end visibility anywhere in the world. Above all, this partnership will enable Bank Dhofar to improve its customer satisfaction through maximizing operations efficiency, security, and transparency. RippleNet leverages blockchain technology to help partners across a global network accelerate their business performances and scale. In other fantastic news is this post by Apple. Recently, the tech company announced a job vacancy as a business development manager, and one of the qualifications was based on the alternative payment providers such as cryptos. That begs the question, will Apple start accepting cryptocurrencies? That could be a revolutionary change in how we all view Apple products. It seems that Apple is gently warming to the idea of cryptocurrencies. In fact, you can now download the Coinbase trading service on the App Store, but the functionality isn't completely functional. But that's already a red flag right there. If and when Apple fully embraces cryptocurrencies, it would give the market one of the most substantial endorsements of all time. And they aren't the only ones. The state of Colorado is looking into accepting taxes in the form of cryptocurrencies. Imagine that. Additionally, you could pay your taxes with a variety of cryptos. According to an article published on CoinDesk by Cyrus Rothwell Ferraris, the governor of Colorado, Jared Polis, said he's hopeful state residents can pay their taxes with crypto, which should happen soon. He also wants Colorado to be the first state to accept taxes in the form of cryptocurrencies. That goes to show that the world governments are also leaning towards cryptos, and soon every private and public company will accept this revolutionary change. We can all agree cryptos are inevitable, and that also includes XRPs. Don't be surprised to see XRP among the top cryptos to be accepted as a mode of payment. So far, XRP is growing, even with the lawsuit that's currently happening. Thanks to their incredible framework and private ledgers, more and more banks are trusting the effectiveness of this blockchain technology. And as Ripple Labs continues to build fruitful partnerships, the price of XRP will eventually go through the roof. We've seen this coin climb from the lowest price levels of all time to even higher highs. However, the past few weeks have been extremely challenging for any XRP trader since the price isn't stable. We've seen the coin go below the dollar mark in hours, and it's been one hell of a roller coaster. That said, let's check out the technical analysis. Due to the fact that XRP failed to maintain 0.97, coupled with Bitcoin falling below target levels, there is a good chance we will see one last dip into the 75 to 88 cent range. The potential gap to be filled from 0.70 to 0.75 as well. This market is crazy right now. If we look at the 4-hour perspective, as Bitcoin corrected, as it supposes to, it caused a sudden and quite unexpected flash crash across the market, followed by another accumulation that took us slowly even lower with altcoins. Lots of people got shaken out and over-leveraged accounts liquidated. For those who made it out alive, expect the green days to come. That is, of course, if Bitcoin goes up, which it probably will. With that said, XRP is forming some kind of a bullish flag after that correction, which meant a successful backtest of a support zone that held us down for almost 3 years. If we break above that flag, we may still consolidate in a $1.20 to the $1.50 area IMO, before a final blow-off top, which could take us to a $7 to $11 area respectively. We have also managed to stay above the orange rising trend line, which is a great sign that buyers are stepping in. For all of that to happen, Bitcoin has to give us a clear indication of recovery, and I'm very optimistic that it will. Potential short-term pain followed by long-term gain, guys. Always trade safely. Please keep in mind, we are not a licensed financial advisor. All videos on this channel are intended for entertainment purposes only. Tell us what you think in the comment section below and let's have a conversation. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and to click on the subscribe button below. Turn on notifications. That way you get informed whenever we post our amazing content. Thanks again, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.